Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can generate a new background in Canva. Let's get started. Open up your browser and then in the search bar search for canva.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and log into your account. Once logged in, start by creating a blank canvas in your Canva. Once you have created it, you want to go ahead and simply scroll below and then tap on background. Here you can instantly apply a solid color gradient or one of the Canva's ready-made background texture. You can also use stock photos by tapping on elements and then selecting photos. Inside here, you can search for something like beach or city or skyline, and then you want to go ahead and select the photo. It will appear in your canvas. Right-click onto it, then tap on Set Image as Background, and that's it. Canva will expand it to cover the whole canvas. If you want something unique, go ahead and simply scroll below, tap on Apps, and then in the search bar, search for Magic Media. Once you search for it, this Magic Media is gonna pop up. Tap onto it. Inside here, you wanna describe what you would like to create. Go ahead and type in your prompt, then select your styles and your aspect ratio, then tap on Generate Image. Just like that, Canva will automatically generate an AI background with Magic Media. You can even blur your background, adjust brightness and filters, or layer and add gradients over it for branded look. So that's simply how you can generate a new background in Canva, whether it's a simple color, a photo, or custom AI creation. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.